These places are so important. They are a resource for healing. We can connect with the land, and we can disconnect from screens and unplug from the fast-paced rhythm of our modern lives. Ecotherapy can help us remember our place in this world. As humans, we belong here. We are a part of the earth. Ecotherapy recognizes our relationship with nature not as an afterthought, but as the foundation on which our health and wellness are built. By helping people to remember this relationship, we might not only heal our human wounds and traumas, we might help heal the planet as well. Come with us. Slow down and feel the earth beneath you. Hear the wind in the trees, smell the pine needles, taste the native flavors and the wild-crafted tea. You can focus on your breath, its natural rhythm and flow. Wander out slowly. Find your treasure. Notice. Play. It's all about connecting with the land and connecting with each other. Nature can help us heal and process. Everyone can benefit from ecotherapy, from young students to residents and professionals. With the practice of nature and forest therapy, guides are there to hold space and to bear witness to whatever people might experience. The forest is the therapist. The guide opens the door. Nature is always there for us. It is home. It is who we are.